On this episode, we are going to be checking out the Peak Design Wash Pouch. Hey, what's up guys? This is Jin from Oribags, and on this channel, we are all about coming up with product videos and tips to help you carry better. So you know the drill. If this is your first time with us, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell button too. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back to our channel. And we are back with another video from the Peak Design collection. And honestly, it's been quite a while since our last Peak Design video, and we are so glad to have this one done. And since it's the holiday season, we are going to be checking out one of the most essential travel carry items, which is a toiletry bag, or in this case, the Peak Design Wash Pouch. The first thing that came to my mind when I saw this pouch was that this looks exactly like the Peak Design Tech Pouch. Hang on 1 minute. Ta-da! See? It looks exactly the same. Okay, different color. This is in bone color. This is the Peak Design Tech Pouch. But just look at it. The design is almost identical, right? It's just that the Peak Design Wash Pouch is slightly larger. The design inspiration behind the wash pouch was to create the perfect balance between simplicity and thoughtful functionality. This is a pouch that sits upright on the counter, and it hangs via a stowable hook, which always gives you total visibility and access to your toiletries. Now, let's take a look at this product and I'll go through in detail. I'll walk you through all the features. Now, the exterior of the wash pouch is minimalist and clean. Just a simple logo tab on the top here. It comes with a handle for easy handling, just grab and go. And this little slot here, you'll find a stowable hook. One very important feature for me when choosing a good toiletry bag is the material. You need to make sure that the material is tough, waterproof, not just on the outside, but on the inside as well to prevent leaks. The last thing you want is to arrive at your destination and have a shampoo explosion all over your luggage. And this wash pouch ticks all the boxes. It's made from 100% recycled 200D nylon and DWR impregnated shell for long-lasting use and carry. This is a decent-sized toiletry bag, and I think it's more than enough for 2 people. All right, let's open up this pouch. But before that, I want to show you just how amazing these zippers are. Now, these are sturdy, oversized number 8 weatherproof zippers. It's got a long and easy to grab pull tab, and let me tell you, these zippers are built to last. Something that I really like about this wash pouch is that it stands on its own, packed or empty. Now, the wash pouch has a sturdy outer shell that stays rigid, hence allowing it to stand on its own. And this also means that it takes up less counter space. The wash pouch opens up accordion style. It has an accordion style opening, which also means that this is as far as it goes. It doesn't fall all the way down. And personally, I really like designs like this. The wide opening allows me to find what I need easily, use it, and then dump it back again. Time to check out the compartments. Now, inside you'll find a roomy organizational space for all your toiletries. I love organizational space. I want to draw your attention to these pockets over here. They are silicone coated mesh internal pockets that keeps your item dry. I'm going to fill them up so that you can see how everything fits. All right, I got 3 travel bottles over here. Now, as you fill them up, you'll realize that in between are 2 smaller slots, which are perfect for a lipstick, like so, or a small little travel size tube like this. Then we have this empty space here for larger items. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my contact lens solution. So as you can see, it fits in beautifully. Then I have a travel size toner bottle and my sunscreen. Now, at the heart of the pouch, you'll find a magnetically sealed pocket for your toothbrush. How clever! So I've got a toothbrush right here, and this is how and where you would place it. after using it, and you don't have to worry because this lining over here, it's waterproof. So I find this compartment to be very, very thoughtful. So look at it. And just a little something to add on, I just want to let you guys know that this pouch does not go all the way down. So it is a raised pocket so that you can reach for your toothbrush very easily. Now over on this section, we have an internal zipper pocket for you to store smaller items. Now it comes with 2 silicone pockets inside as well, and I would say this section is really perfect for smaller items like your contact lens case, a pair of tweezers perhaps, and I'm just going to throw in my eye drops as well. And when we move over to this side, we have another 2 more silicone pockets. I know, so many pockets, right? So we can fill in more things inside here. As I said, this is great for 2 people. So I've got a tube here, a bottle of perfume here, and another empty section for larger items. So I got another bottle here. I've got a bottle of vitamins here as well. So yeah. And lastly, a special zipper pocket on the exterior for your razors. Now, I don't have one with me right now, but I'm just going to use the toothbrush just to show you how it fits in the pocket. And what's practical about this pocket right here is that it's a raised pocket, just like the toothbrush pocket as well on the inside, so it doesn't go all the way down. And that's it. That's all you need to know about the Peak Design wash pouch. Now overall, I think this is a great pouch. It's so practical, so functional, perfect size for 2 people, and if you are organized enough, I think maybe even for the whole family. Now, the wash pouch works perfectly with all Peak Design travel bags or any travel bag for that matter. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you think of this product in the comments below. Now, if you'd like to get your hands on this wash pouch or check out other Peak Design products, you can head on over to our website, which is oribags.com, or if you are in Malaysia, don't forget to visit our retail store. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe for more product videos like this, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye-bye!